Welcome for all in my new series of lectures under the title Energy Management. At first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Samah Shahouda from Iraq, Baghdad. I am mechanical engineering. I am scientific researcher in the field of renewable energy. I am certified trainer in solar energy, energy management, and energy editing from Renat Academy, Germany, and also from other organizations. I have a YouTube channel and I have a collection of lectures since 2014 in the field of renewable energy and smart agriculture and their application. The current lectures will be in the field of energy management. We will learn about the energy management definition, where we can be applied, its objectives, key benefits of energy management, and also we will talk about energy management systems and energy management system according to the ISO 50001, and also we will explain some examples about the topic, and also we will talk about the medical cycle and energy policy according to the ISO standards, and we will take also example of energy policy and energy performance and how we can calculate the energy performance, and we will take some explanation about energy performance certificate and energy performance indicators. Okay. And the first, this topic is too big, so I divided the lectures for four parts, as we will see. The first lecture will be about the energy management concept, and the second lecture about energy management systems, and the third lecture will be about the energy performance, and the fourth one will be about the energy performance indicators. And also we will have lectures about energy editing. So we'll start the first lecture about energy management definition. So what's the energy management? The energy management is a proactive, organized, systematic coordination of procurement, conversion, distribution, and use of energy in order to meet our requirement. And also we must take in our consideration the environmental and economic objects. All these terms will be facilitated in the next lectures, and we can understand as well. Okay. Others things we can say that the energy management can identify. So it includes identification, monitoring, and optimizing energy performance on a regular scheduled basis. So the energy management include these processes or these schedules: identification and monitoring in order to optimize energy performance at regular scheduled basis. So the energy management, it's so closely linked to energy efficiency. While we do all these requirements, we can make an improvement in energy efficiency in order to achieve energy savings by identifying the actions. What will we do? What will we do to improve the energy efficiency? We need actions. We must identify the actions must be taken in our consideration in order to improve the energy efficiency of the systems in specified facility. Okay? These concepts all relevant to what's the energy management. Okay. Then we can also see in this figure that energy management, it includes monitoring and controlling and conserving energy usage by reducing the energy use, so we can, and continuous monitoring and continuous controlling, we can save the energy. Also, identify energy saving opportunities. We have many opportunities to save the energy by reducing the energy consumption. Okay? By the reducing of energy consumption can give us another benefits by reducing energy cost and minimize the environmental impact by reducing carbon emissions. And we can also, by using the energy management, we can avoidance of energy waste and this need a continuous improvement of energy efficiency. So these actions must be a continual process. All these parameters or the inclusion of energy, the included item in the concept of energy management need a continuous improvement in order to save the energy. Okay. So, the energy management finally can make the effective by doing the previous actions, we can get the effective energy management. The effective energy management, and finally, can its benefits can be by reduced energy consumption by as much as 20 to 30%. In other words, by employing effective energy management, you can save energy by this percentage. Some scientific researchers talking about more than these numbers. At reality, I found these numbers is okay, no problem about this percentage. But this debate on the size of facility, the other parameters we will explain in the next slide. Okay. This slide will talk about where we can apply the energy management. So, energy management can be applied in commercial, industrial buildings, okay? Logistics, like operation and transportations of vehicles and cars and other equipment of transportation. Industrial production and the processes, industrial processes, or the processes of manufacturing in the field of industry. Also for machines or equipment, machines operation, and also in the field of regular maintenance, we can, by using energy management, we can reduce the energy consumption for machines. Also in our personal life, by daily activities, we can reduce the energy. Even in our homes, we can reduce energy consumption by some measures that we must employ and follow it. And we will talk about this next lectures. Also in the field of agriculture and also in the field of municipalities, also can apply the energy management. So, as we see in this figure, the field of building energy efficient business, can apply the energy management also by using efficient energy purchasing of equipment and appliances and devices, and also by applying smart energy management. We can reduce the energy consumption or and energy use, and also by the elimination of wastage from energy or from fuels, and also can reduce the demand for electricity in the facility or homes or buildings, and also by applying the sustainable energy sources, and this can reduce carbon emissions. Okay. Now we will talk about the energy management objectives. What's the objectives of energy management? Who set the objectives? Objectives are set by individuals, organizations, or governments. Their objectives, or energy management objectives, reduce energy consumption by using energy efficient technologies such as LED lighting or high efficiently heating, ventilating, air conditioning system, and energy efficient appliances or equipment in different applications. The second objective, in order to improve the energy efficiency by optimizing the performance of energy consuming equipment and processes in different fields of industrial and commercial. And also increase the use of renewable energy like solar, wind, hydro, tidal, geothermal, and whatever are available in specific country. And also reduce the greenhouse gas emission by improving energy efficiency, use of renewable energy sources, and low carbon technologies. And the fifth objective, in order to optimize the energy costs by reducing energy waste and improving energy efficiency. And also promote energy conservation by reducing energy demand and the promotion of sustainability and the society awarenesses and incentives for energy conservations. And also in order to ensure energy security, this is very, very important by reducing the dependency on imported energy, and this will promoting domestic energy rotation. Okay. Also, we have another issue about the key benefits from applying energy management. The key benefits of energy management can be by identifying and delivering measurable reductions in energy use, such as water, gas, electricity, oil, and so on. And also by identify the priorities of poor energy performance, we can take our action about poor energy performance in order to raise this value in specified facility, and also to create clear objectives. While we are using energy management, we will have clear objects for energy reduction, and also addressing routine energy waste, and continuously monitor and improve energy efficiency, and promote communication outcomes to staff in the facility and stockholders. And also we have another economic benefits by calculating the return on energy efficiency investments in the field of economy, and identify the energy and water wastage, and using by also using the energy editing and proactive investment planning. The other things, the applying of energy management will promote the staff training in a specified facility on the best practice and awarenesses. And also, it has a positive side, positive behavioral change of staff and personals in the facility, and also it will comply with the legal requirement in the level of country or in the level of organization. Okay. There are other key benefits by applying energy management in specified facility by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and reduce the exposure to change in energy prices by reducing the energy consumption and adaptation of other sources, friendly other sources of energy such as renewable energy. And also other benefits will be in reduction of carbon footprint and increase the security of energy supply. And also we have good benefits by creating a greater knowledge of energy use and consumption and improvement. And also it will be informed decision-making processes for all involved staff and stakeholders, and also for decision makers in the facility or in the organization. And also we will reduce the uncertainty as future energy use will be better understanding for all the involved personnel in the organization, and this will improve the corporate image for the facility or the organization, and will also improve the operational efficiency of equipment and devices, and will also improvement in maintenance practices, how we will apply the maintenance of equipment, devices, and also will improve the safety and health of all personnel in the facility. Okay. All these talking about the key benefits by applying the energy management. So this, of course, represent the references of the content of my lecture, and hope we will meet in the second lecture. Thank you for listening, and hope we will meet in the second lecture. Goodbye for all.